Selling car parts online? Don't miss this important Amazon update. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to stay updated on Amazon's newest policies and news directly in Seller Central. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHPconsultinggroup.com, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon, and the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. And bada bing, bada boom, Amazon is making more and more policies. As we can see, of March 11th, you're now required to provide a California Air Resources Board Executive Order number for new and existing listings of automotive and marine emission tuners to ensure that these products are compliant with the Clean Air Act. Now, this is a bit bullshit because California is just one state. So I don't know why they're making us provide it for every single state. So I guess Amazon is just really sees California as dominant. But the Clean Air Act prohibits the sale of any device that unlawfully interferes with or disables an engine's emissions control. This new requirement helps to prevent the sale of these defeat device tuners. If a valid CARB EO number is not provided for an automotive or marine tuner listing, the listing may be removed until a valid CARB. So pretty much at some point in the future, maybe next year, all of your listings that don't have this will be removed. That's what Amazon is saying. So just be prepared, get ready if you sell these types of items. And for more details, you can go here. We're gonna click there, we're gonna see the more details. So examples of listings permitted, examples of listings that are prohibited, and then how to qualify. So this is important, how to qualify for the sale in California, products that require an EO number. To upload the compliance information for aftermarket auto parts, catalytic converters, indoor air cleaners, small gas-powered engines, and portable gas container products, please follow the steps outlined below. You can see Amazon rushed this. They just put these two words together. But anyway, for sellers, because that's most likely you're going to contact the manufacturer to get the EO number if applicable. You're going to download the applicable inventory file template. You're going to enter the related information in the following fields. Please provide the executive EO number required for sale into California, and please provide the expiration date of the EO number. Upload your inventory file through Seller Central, add products via upload. So you have to do this via an inventory file upload, which is really lame for Amazon. But once you get this EO number, you can pretty much do this. You can also take a screenshot of this page. If you go, you can take a screenshot of this, pretty much go to Amazon Seller Central, contact seller support and say, hey, can you show me how to do this? And they'll show you how to do this. I also have a lot of videos on how to do an inventory file update. We're also going to show you what other people think of this. So if we scroll down, interesting that a federal law is being enforced through a California agency. These devices violate federal law, and Amazon and other online sites were caught selling them. What if you don't want to sell in California? Why must you use the CARB EO? That doesn't make sense. And somebody's saying that Amazon is using California's agency as a clearinghouse. Applies to all states regardless of what state you sell to. What do you mean by automotive and marine emission tuners? It's such a vague term. And then you can just check the policy in depth to see what the term means. But just what you can do is you can also go into your account health and see if it's required. So you're just going to go to performance, you're going to go to account health, you're going to scroll down. Okay. Scroll down and you're going to see if there's any compliance requests. This is where you can most likely submit it or see if it's required, or if there's anything here. That's where you can see if it's required for your listings. If it's not showing there, I wouldn't sweat it too much, but I would prepare. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to this channel because you're going to be staying up to date on the latest Amazon's policies and the latest ways to increase your sales on Amazon. If you need help selling on Amazon, you can contact EHPconsultinggroup.com right in the description. Our #1 service is managing your entire account, which is calling Amazon, emailing Amazon, getting these special files for you so that way you don't have to worry or stress about them, and staying up to date with their policies so that way we can maintain and increase your sales on your Amazon account. Contact us in the description. I'm signing out.